the water filter, the disposable water filter for my refrigerator. Let's see here. Let me find the part number on this thing. There it is. UKf8001. I think this is the highest capacity one. It goes for 750 gallons. But anyway, I cut this thing open to see what it looked like on the inside. Cut the bottom off to see how it looked there, but it'll only come out the top, and then I cut it in half. So this is kind of what the whole thing looks like, and I cut it in half, and it looks like just a shaped or formed carbon style filter. The water, I don't remember which way the water flow goes. I didn't pay attention to that, but yeah, it's made onto this top. This little blue thing is epoxied on there, and that's what it looks like. And so the water flow is going from either the out. I think it goes from the outside to the inside. That's the way it looks. But it's possible it could go the other way. I don't know. I didn't see any debris on it. There wasn't any restriction on this. We have pretty high water pressure where I live, so. But I just wanted to cut it in half and have a look to see what it looked like. And it looks like just a solid chunk of carbon. It breaks up pretty easy. It's kind of fragile. But that's what it looks like. Just in case somebody was curious on what it looked like on the inside. That's it. Anyway, have a good day.